Hello and welcome to Daily Lingo. Today I want to tell you about a very special and scary moment in my English journey. The first time I talked to a native English speaker. While I tell this story, I'll teach you useful English words and phrases you can use in real life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's dive in. It was a sunny afternoon. I was at a coffee shop, sitting quietly with my drink and my notebook. Suddenly, someone sat next to me and said, "Hey, is this seat taken?" My brain froze. Taken? What did that mean again? My heart started beating fast. I wanted to speak, but my mouth didn't move. Finally, I said, Uh, no taken. I mean, not taken." The person smiled and said, "Thanks." And just like that, my first real conversation began. He asked, "So, are you from around here?" My mind went blank again. I knew the words, but they just disappeared. I said, "No, I'm from, far." He laughed kindly and said, "Ah, I see. Where exactly?" Now I understood. "Oh, I'm from Spain," I said, this time smiling. He said, "Cool. I met someone from Spain before. Very friendly people." Hearing that made me relax. Relax means to feel calm after being nervous. Little by little, I started to speak more freely. We talked about coffee, travel, and movies. At first, my sentences were short and slow, but the more we talked, the easier it became. I used simple words, nothing fancy, but it worked. When I didn't know a word, I pointed or described it. For example, I forgot straw, so I said, "the thing you use to drink." Long, plastic. And he said, "Oh, a straw." We both laughed. That moment gave me confidence. After that day, I realized something important. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You just need courage, kindness, and a smile. The native speaker didn't care about my grammar. He cared about my effort. Now, whenever I meet someone new, I remember that day. That first moment of fear turned into a moment of connection. Practice time. Repeat after me. Is this seat taken? I'm from Spain. Sorry, I don't know this word. Can you please repeat that? Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments. When was your first time talking to a native speaker? What happened? Were you nervous? Remember, every mistake is just a step toward fluency. Don't be afraid to speak, even if your voice shakes a little. Thanks for watching Daily Lingo, where English isn't just something you learn, it's something you live. See you in the next story.